Welcome to this episode of Mindpoint Summit. Today we'll be doing a tutorial on Maya Blendshapes. In this tutorial, I have an example where we'll be making a watch band that can go left, right, and down as a blend shape parameter. Now to get started, the first thing we'll want to do is have this watch band selected, go to Windows, Animation Editor, and Shape Editor. It'll open up this little window thing. We'll create our first blend shape, and I will name it left, and then create a target right here. And then what we can simply do is go into vertex mode and select these vertices here. Next blend shape will be right. So we'll have that, create a target, delete it, object mode, create blend shape, right. Go back into object mode, create another blend shape, and I will say down, and then create a new target, go back into vertice mode, Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for future content like this. As always, continue learning and have a nice day.